talk about another important update we are bringing for our viewers, and this is from the state of Rajasthan. It is Pilot versus Gehlot fight that seems to be now escalating even further. The latest is now there is a poster war that's going on. Team Pilot has unleashed poster war in Rajasthan. It lists Pilot's achievements and it also is demanding the due to Sachin Pilot's camp, what was promised to his camp. Listen in.
Ahead of meeting of more than a dozen independent MLAs in Jaipur who are demanding their share of pie in Ashok Gehlot government, a Twitter hashtag has been trending on social media which says Pilot aane wala hai. And here the poster war has also begun. This is residence of Ved Prakash Solanki. He is Congress MLA from Chaksu and very much in Sachin Pilot camp. And this is the poster which clearly shows that Rajasthan has seen and we all have seen. And this is Team Sachin Pilot. This is evidence that Rajasthan Congress is vertically divided in two factions. One faction is led by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and all the experienced politicians, and other faction is comprised first-time MLAs like Ved Prakash Solankis and youthful, ambitious people. And we'll have to wait and see that how it's turns out to be, and Pilot camps gets its share in the Ashok Gehlot government or not. But what sources confirms to us that on the minds of High Command, Rajasthan is not on priority. With video journalist Dinesh, this is Arvind Singh for Times Now from Jaipur.
सिटी का हाल ही मैंने एक वक्तव्य पढ़ा जिसमें उन्होंने हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता सचिन पायलट जी के बारे में कुछ कमेंट्स किए। मैं उनकी घोर निंदा करता हूं। उन्होंने बोला कि सचिन पायलट एक जाति विशेष के नेता है। मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि सचिन पायलट 36 कौम के नेता हैं और जहाँ तक उनका अंदर बाहर का सवाल है 1980 से लेकर के अब तक करीब 42 साल से वो राजस्थान की राजनीति करते आए हैं। 5 साल वो प्रदेश के अध्यक्ष रहे हैं। सभी कौम के लोगों को उन्होंने जोड़ा है। उनके नेतृत्व में विशेषकर मैं आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा उनका कि गुर्जर और मीणाओं में बहुत फ्रैक्शंस हो गए थे, लेकिन पिछले चुनाव में दोनों समाजों ने एकजुट होकर के कांग्रेस को वोट डाला। दोनों समाजों में भाईचारा कायम हुआ, सद्भावना कायम हुई। उसी का परिणाम है कि प्रदेश के अंदर कांग्रेस की सरकार बनी। मेरा निवेदन है राम के जी से, अगर ऐसी कोई भाषा का प्रयोग नहीं करें, क्योंकि लोग बाग जो वर्तमान राजनीतिक परिस्थितियां चल रही है एक दूसरे में भेदभाव डालना चाहते हैं वापिस। इसलिए समाज बड़ी मुश्किल, दोनों समाज एकजुट होकर के काम कर रहे हैं। हमारा हित इसी में सब मिलकर काम करें। और जहां तक पायलट साहब का सवाल है, वो 36 कौम के नेता है, सभी समाजों के नेता है।
No, there is no difference between amongst our Karkarta. They are one. And today the state executive meeting, we have discussed the forthcoming program also. And we have to also take the agitations about whatever there is Jungle Raj in the state. Gehlot is not coming out from his home itself. For the last 40 days, he's not coming out. The Rajasthan public, Janta, they are crying for the help. The total, scenario is pathetic. There is no progress in the state. So we have to take these issues. We are taking these issues in the public, and we'll do the agitation for the welfare of in interest of the Rajasthan.
Let's now go across to my colleague Arvind joining us on the broadcast more on this. Arvind, good morning. So today is an important day. 13 independents who are supporting Gehlot government have called for a meeting to chalk out some kind of a strategy because they're waiting to get rewarded. And ahead of that, you told us that there's a poster war and a Twitter war that is going on too.
Yes, that's right, Hina. The game of one-upmanship in the Congress party in Rajasthan have been going for a long time now, and now it seems that it has reached the pinnacle because Sachin Pilot faction is losing the hope now and they are going for the last assault. So that is why a Twitter trend was trending yesterday in Rajasthan which says that Pilot aa raha hai, Pilot is coming. And then Ved Prakash Solanki, who is a Congress MLA from Chaksu, has put a big poster in front of his house saying that he is a member of the Sachin Pilot team and Sachin Pilot has worked for Rajasthan and everybody has seen it. But on the other part, now it seems that out of 13 independent MLA in Rajasthan, 12 will be meeting at 5 o'clock at Ashoka Hotel, as we've been told. And what these independent MLA will discuss is that they also want a share of pie in the Ashok Gehlot government, because what they claim is that they were the one who were instrumental in saving the Ashok Gehlot government when Sachin Pilot ran away with his 18 MLA last year, and there was a failed coup which was specified by the Congress High Command after the negotiation. But Sachin Pilot camp still continue to be dissatisfied and to the limit of disgruntled now that all those promises made by High Command has not been fulfilled. So clearly they are coming out. A letter has been issued to Sonia Gandhi, the UPA chairperson, by Sachin Pilot section, in which all those MLA candidates who has lost the election also are demanding that they should be listened into the government. So clearly game of one-upmanship is going on, but what our sources tells us that Rajasthan is not on the mind of High Command in Congress at this point of time. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Arvind, for the moment, for joining us with all of those details. We'll, of course, be coming back to you for more on this, and we'll keep an eye on that crucial meeting of the independents today.